Right, we've just had a glorious 4 days down at Bulworthy Lodges in Devon. I'll put a link in the video description. This is where we stayed. I'll quickly show you around. You can see you've got a built-in barbecue there. One of our favourite places. Nice hot tub. Very nice indeed it was. And you've got a nice bit of seating area. Show you around the outside of the living room. You've got a view of the lakes down there. Right, we'll take you indoors. Have a look. Got some nice seating area. This is a dog-friendly accommodation. The gate will close. You walk in. We've got a big kitchen. Nice cooker. You've got a washing machine, dryer, dishwasher, fridge, freezer, microwave. And this is the dining area. We've got TV. Excuse our mess there. We're getting ready to go, unfortunately. But, yeah, really nice, clean, tidy. Go to one of the bedrooms, which is double. Nice size again. TV. So it goes through the hall. Got a nice bathroom. Hello. Everything was spotless, clean and tidy. There you go, there's a shower, bath. Go to the next bedroom, which is a double again. Very spacious. And this one's got its own ensuite. And then we have a third bedroom, which is again a double, and it comes with a cot. So there you go. Oh, let's show you the living room. It's like a TARDIS. You watch, you walk in here and you can just see through there. Nice double settee there. Look at the size of this. It's bigger when you're in here than on screen, but there's a big old TV there, look. And there's a view from inside. Right, like I said, guys, I'll pop a link in the video description. You can book your place. This is the Larches. Great Wi-Fi. It's lovely, warm, tidy, peaceful. Thumbs up from us.
Sometimes you need to go and take a step back to see the truth.